Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join AI mermaid builder on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your TikTok application on your mobile phone, and then you're going to go to the search bar or the search menu here. Select this option and you're going to type in AI mermaid builder or Avant. Okay, I'm going to search for AI mermaid builder, and there will be some results for us, and we just need to choose one of the video which contains this AI mermaid builder. Okay, I'm going to choose this video, and after that we're going to click on this effect or this builder. Okay, tap on the effect, and then you're going to upload your photo. Wait, I'm going to click on use this effect, and I'm going to select my photo from here. For example, I'm just going to select this photo. Okay, and then we're going to wait until 100%. Okay guys, if you don't want to wait, just click on generate in draft, and then you can still open the TikTok videos, the other TikTok videos while you were waiting the process. Okay, and if you want to check the result, you just need to open up your TikTok profile. Okay, wait, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to I'm going to go to my profile on TikTok. Go to the profile page, and then the video will be generated on your TikTok drafts. Okay, now it's still processing, and if the process has completed, you can visit your draft. Okay, I think I need to pause my video, and I'll be right back after the process completed. Okay guys, and finally the video has been generated with the AI mermaid builder or AI mermaid effect, and now it's time to view the result. Okay, this is for the result guys, and you will be able to edit the music if you want. Just go to the music here, and then you can choose the music that you want. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and right after you choose the music, you can go to the next, or you can upload it to your story, and I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and here we can add description, add hashtag, mention, or maybe location. It's up to you, and once you're done, you can click on post, and then the video will be uploaded to your TikTok account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to join AI mermaid filter or effect on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.